Hi guys, another little side track for me. This Fisherman Grandad, I did him, I think it was last year. Might have been the year before, but I think it was last year. He just pivots on one leg, and then we got a wire comes down, got the fish on the end of it, and normally he just sits on a table and you give him a push and he rocks backwards and forwards for a while. But obviously it occurred to me that I could use one of those pulse motor mechanisms, circuits, to actually power it. So what we have there is the pendulum circuit from a clock, which I've used on other projects. It's actually powered by a LiPo battery, but that's fairly irrelevant. I made up this little stand for him, so that's supposed to be the dock. That'll be the bottom of the water, the seabed, sand or whatever. And he will rock. I've positioned him at the moment so he's just out of range. You might see he's moving a tiny bit, but I'll give him a little push and he'll get going. The only thing is there's nothing to stop him going out of line at the moment. I need to put something up here, a slot or something, so he stays in position. If I just give him a little push, that should be enough to get him into range. And then after a while he actually goes too well and starts moving around. So there's just a small neodymium magnet just where the fish's mouth is, which is being pulsed by the pendulum circuit. As I say, because there's nothing to stop him twisting, he does actually go out of position after a while. My plan is to actually extend that down or shorten these legs, have the coil under there and the battery in there as well, so it'll have to be a different battery. That one won't fit. And I will have to do something at the top end to stop him twisting round. So I guess we'll call this part 1 of the video, and I'll have to do some more work. I'll leave him swinging just to see if he does actually fall off, to show you what I mean. You can see it's building up quite well. He's getting closer to the edge at the top. Yeah, you may not notice, but he's twisted around quite a bit now. Yeah, so as I say, this will be part 1. I'll do some development work on it, see if we can tidy it up a bit. That'll do. He's just about going to fall off, I think. Ready to catch him. He goes. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so need to do a bit more work on it. Well, the fix at the moment is I used a bit of heat to put an indentation in the top there, and also squeezed the end of his pivot to a sharper point, so it sits in the indentation without creating extra friction. And he seems to be rocking okay. You can see he moves around a little bit, but he doesn't actually get out of the slot or the indentation. That pushes him back in place when he goes a bit wild. So I think that's the fix there. Next thing I need to do is figure out if we can tuck that coil away under there. Then we'll have to lengthen his pendulum or shorten these legs, either way. And as I say, that battery actually isn't suitable because it's too deep to go in the space available, but I've got plenty more batteries. So we might be able to do it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.